Now the cables, you can see here, we've brought in through the plug right here and is sealed off with putty, which is really, really nice, so it's still waterproof. We did the same thing on the other side. It comes all the way through, routes around and routes back to the box back here. So that way you don't have to have it plugged into a lighter, you've got it hardwired at full time, and then you have the cables that run down and you don't have to worry about water intrusion into your trunk and anything like that. Okay, so that should take care of your exhaust controller. Now let's make sure that all of our fitment is good. All right, guys, so here we are. We're pretty much done. Go ahead and crawl underneath, check for any last minute fitment. Go ahead and look at your exhaust tips and make sure that the logos are exactly where you want them to be. And this is really just up to your taste on the exact stagger or rake that you have for your exhaust tips. But just get those set up. They'll look really good. Generally, you want to follow the outer one being in a little bit further than the inner one, but you can set them up exactly how you like. So go ahead and get that done, and then we're going to test. All right, y'all, all done, so go ahead and clean up and put your tools away. And you can tell this isn't a hard project. It's just gonna take you a little bit of time and as you follow through all of the steps. And wow, does it make a difference. The stock Z4 can be a little tame. Now with those valves fully open and in sport mode, it is downright spicy. And if that's what you're looking for, Valvetronic is definitely it.